Hello viewer. So today I'm scrapping out an old telephone. So I'm sure the last time I saw a telephone like this, it was in a, let's say, not a 5-star hotel. Right. So let's proceed to destroy. So I do tend to cut these endy bits off just because of the gold plating on the terminals. It's not a lot, but it all adds up in theory. Let's get stuck in. So I picked up just a little bit of e-waste from someone, and this was part of it. To be fair, most of it was actually pretty good stuff. I was pleasantly surprised, but I have absolutely no use for a old landline style phone like this. For me, it's worse than useless. Take up so much room. Well, that's handy. Nice little battery holder, nice clean. And a drain on it. Okay. So I don't know what to expect in here. I would sort of think maybe because it's a little bit older that might be some reasonable parts in here for playing around with, but I actually don't know. Okay, nice. Unfortunately, rubbish. Can't do much with the plastics. Okay, I've got a spring. I actually do keep the springs. I have a little container that I just put springs into. Just comes in really handy. I actually have an interest in model trains. So what I like are the really small springs. Okay, microphone. Okay. Okay, I wasn't expecting to come off like that. So what have we got now? A few more screws. But see, these pins in here, they're gold plated, so that's all cool. Pretty busy board. A lot of transistors. So it sort of gives an idea of the age of the unit. So probably nothing too remarkable. But I do like to reuse components if I can. So I mean, these Zener diodes have quite long legs on them, so they'll be quite good for reusing. Got these TNT caps, but I think, yeah, the nice amount of Zeners there, coming useful for little projects. So obviously, you know, there's definitely not a huge amount on the board, but hey, it's only a telephone. I bet you there's some of these ICs are probably quite interesting though. So that one there. Yeah, I might have to look these up. I think there could be some quite interesting ones there. There might be just some more general purpose items compared to something, you know, actually being specific. There we go. Keep that. I mean, that's Mylar there. Not much of interest here for me, unfortunately. That can all go. It has to be disposed of. And do I need to put some? No, there's the screw. Right. Well, not a lot of interest, to be fair. But still a nice board anyway. So if I put the pliers, so you get these gold plated pliers. Not exactly a huge amount of effort involved in getting them. Yeah, they can get added to the collection. Little transformer there, may or may not be worth stripping out. But these Zener diodes I will probably keep. I'll cut them off. I would say it's probably going to be relatively simple to unsolder these other diodes and any useful components there. And like I say, I'll look into what these chips are. I think some of these chips could be a little bit more general purpose. Sliders I don't generally keep. Actually, these switches I probably will. They come in useful for little projects. So yeah, I'm happy. This is useful for little projects, you know. It gives you 4.5 volt battery pack, nice flying lead in really good condition, so happy with that. Probably won't keep that. They'll probably just go into scrap because it's just not something I really use anymore. So that's really about it. Just a pretty basic board as to be expected. Unfortunately, a whole lot of plastic, which I can't do a lot with at this stage. It's PA-ABS. Okay, I thought it was saying PLA-ABS, and I think, well, that's a little bit interesting. They can go with the keyboard. Bits and pieces, and this can be worth keeping. Can be good for repair work on other LCDs, etc. That's just a spacer, so that actually doesn't do anything. So that can go, that can go. That's it. So thank you for watching. Not very exciting, I'm afraid, but it's an old phone, at least reducing some parts from going to landfill, even if unfortunately all the plastic has to currently go. I don't know anywhere here that does recycling of plastics. It's a shame. Yeah. Something I'm interested in looking at further, but you know, there's no point in stockpiling plastic. It'll fill your house in no time. Okay guys, thank you for watching.